Creating great short videos the old school way means spending hours in Premiere or After Effects just hunting for the right clips. You're constantly trimming, creating captions, designing motion titles, and then figuring out exactly when to post everything, which honestly feels like a full-time job. But once I started using Vizard, that whole workflow got completely flipped on its head because now you can turn a long video into ready-to-post snippets in minutes, not days. This isn't just hype, as I've been testing different workflows and Vizard is insanely good at identifying the best parts of any recording. However, like any tool, there are specific tricks to get the best possible output, because if you skip the details, your clips might look flat or out of context. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I take a long recording and turn it into multiple platform-ready clips using Vizard step by step. To start, you need to import your long-form file into Vizard, whether it's an interview, a tutorial, or even a live stream. Vizard immediately analyzes the raw footage and automatically detects highlight moments like laughter, topic shifts, or punchlines. That's the core of the magic, as it saves you from scrubbing through hours of footage manually to find the moments that audiences actually care about. For example, say I'm turning a 30-minute productivity explainer into a quick educational clip. I just upload the file and look at the suggested clips. I always pick more than one suggestion from the AI, then I run a quick pass to remove filler words or awkward silences. A small pro tip is to remove the first half second of silence before a line and make sure the cut lands right on a strong syllable for better retention. One of my favorite things is the auto captioning feature, which creates accurate text instantly and styles them with motion templates. You can choose bold, neon-like captions for edgy posts or clean, minimal subtitles for educational clips and preview them in real time. Pro tip, try to shorten long sentences so captions read cleanly on mobile, which is easy to do by editing the text while keeping the sync. Now, I know some creators will ask about motion graphics or polished overlays, and tools like Nano Banana or OpenArt are great for that. But if your goal is consistent content publishing, generating tons of clips and scheduling them, Vizard is perfectly built for that specific pipeline. You can absolutely import motion graphics from those other tools as overlays into Vizard, sync them with captions, and export everything in one go. Let me walk through a few concrete examples so you can see how my process maps from a simple idea to a posted clip. First, take the Hourglass educational clip example where I had a long deep dive video about time management. Vizard suggested several clips where the speaker said specific tips, so I just dropped on a clean motion title and added an Hourglass overlay. Exporting both as vertical and square videos gave me 2 platform-ready clips in under 10 minutes, which would have taken hours in traditional software. For my second example, I worked with a brand video where the main line was a neon-style punchline. I used a bold motion caption template that mimics a neon flicker to make that specific line pop. The smart thing here is that Vizard handles thumbnails and scheduling, so that neon moment drops at peak hours without me lifting a finger. In my third example, I turned a talking head stream into a snackable animated piece. Vizard auto-stabilizes the shaky frames and I added a subtle filter to make the whole clip feel stylized and fun. If you want to push that style further, export the clip to a dedicated animation tool for character rigs and just re-import it. Finally, for chart reveals, I used motion overlays inside Vizard to animate data points during a monthly meeting recap. It looked way cleaner than a static screenshot and performed significantly better on professional networks like LinkedIn. Across all these examples, I have a few golden rules. Source quality really matters, so try to use crisp audio and decent lighting. Pick multiple AI suggested clips because it increases your odds of finding a viral gem. Always tweak the edit points manually because even though the AI is great, the rhythm of the cut benefits from a human touch. Add a visual hook in the first 2 seconds, like a quick zoom or a bold motion title to grab attention instantly. Now, let's talk about my favorite feature. Auto schedule, which means you don't have to babysit your posting times anymore. You just set your frequency like 2 clips per day and Vizard queues them up at the optimized times for your audience. You can see what's scheduled, drag and drop posts to rearrange, and preview the sequence all from one dashboard. This is basically social media operations without all the spreadsheet hell. Some other AI editors create clips but leave you to manually upload and schedule, while Vizard folds everything into one place. I also love the analytics dashboard, which helps me track which clips perform best so I can iterate on my content strategy. If one 15-second hook does really well, I simply export a few more variants and let the scheduler stagger them over the next week. If you're a creator who wants consistent growth without turning every week into an editing marathon, Vizard is the kind of tool that changes the game. It's not a magic wand, you still need good content, but it removes so much of the grunt work that usually kills your momentum. So if you're ready to stop spending days editing and start publishing engaging clips, check the link in the description and try Vizard. Use it to quickly find the golden moments in your long videos, style them, and let the auto schedule do the heavy lifting for you. Believe me, once you see how much time it saves and how many more posts you can publish, you'll start thinking about content creation differently. Thanks for watching, and I'll drop more tips on templates and thumbnail hacks in the next video, so I'll see you there.